Hello and welcome to Talk Maya. Hi there. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Thanks for joining us. On this channel, we practice simple, everyday English together.
If you enjoy this episode, please give it a like and subscribe. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please subscribe. It might even make someone here do a small happy dance.
A small one. All right. Today we have a very important topic for all learners. It's the first thing you need to know.
We're going to learn how to talk about yourself in English.
A key skill. Let's get started. So, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling wonderful, thank you. And how are you feeling?
I'm a bit nervous, but also excited.
Nervous? Why?
Because talking about yourself can feel scary, especially in a new language.
I understand. But don't worry. It's just you and me here, and all our friends listening. This is a safe place.
You're right. It is. Okay. I feel better now.
Good. And to our friends listening, how are you feeling today? Ready to learn?
The best way to start talking about yourself is with your name. Let's practice. Hello, my name is...
And my name is...
Sometimes people ask, what's your full name?
Right. You can say, my full name is, or my name is...
Both are correct. After your name, the next common question is, where are you from?
You can say, I am from blank, or I come from blank.
Simple and very useful.
Next question, where do you live now? This might be different from your origin.
You can say, I live in now.
So, I am from, say your origin. I live in, say your current home.
Now, a big one. What do you do?
This means your job or your studies. You can say, I am a graphic designer. I am a teacher. I am a student. I study engineering. I study at university.
And if you don't have a job right now, I'm looking for a job. I'm between jobs.
Let's talk about family. You can say things like, I have one older brother. I have two sisters. My mom's name is. My dad's name is.
And don't forget pets. I have a cat. I have a dog.
If you don't have brothers or sisters, I am an only child.
Age is a common question, but sometimes not polite to ask in every culture.
True, but it's good to know how to answer. I am 28 years old. Or, I'm 26.
If you don't want to say your age, you can answer politely. I prefer not to say. Now, the fun part. Hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time?
You can say, I like, I love, I enjoy, I'm interested in.
Examples. I enjoy photography. I love reading. I like hiking. I'm interested in yoga.
If you don't like something, I don't like loud places. I don't like scary movies.
Let's pretend we meet at a party.
Hello there.
Oh, hello. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from a small town. How about you?
I'm from a big city.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I'm a designer. Do you have any hobbies?
I love photography and cooking. You?
I enjoy reading and hiking. Do you have pets?
Yes, a cat. I have a dog.
Nice talking to you.
You too.
You can talk about your favorite color, food, season, movie, music, anything.
Example. My favorite color is blue. My favorite food is sushi. My favorite season is spring.
I speak English. I speak a little Spanish. I'm learning Japanese. My French is okay.
Word 1. Origin. Where you come from. My country of origin is...
Word 2, hobby. Something you do for fun.
Word 3, Enjoy. To really like something. I enjoy cooking.
Word 4, siblings, brothers and sisters. I have 2 siblings.
Word 5. Favorite. The one you like the most.
Fill in the blanks. I love taking photos. It's my hobby. I really enjoy listening to music. I have 2 siblings. My country of origin is Canada. Pizza is my favorite food. Can you introduce yourself in the comments? Hello, my name is. My origin is. My favorite hobby is. Try using at least one new word. Origin, hobby, enjoy, siblings, favorite.
We read every comment and we're so excited to meet you.
Thank you for learning with us. You're doing an amazing job. Welcome back to Talk Maya. If you're still with us, that means you're serious about improving your English, and we're proud of you.
Absolutely. Thank you for learning with us. Today, where we go deeper into talking about yourself in English.
We talked about your name, where you're from, hobbies, family, the basics.
Now we're going to talk about things that help people know you better. Your personality, your daily life, your interests, your habits, and your experiences.
Let's start with simple daily life questions. These are common when getting to know someone.
Yes, for example, what time do you usually wake up?
You can answer, I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up early. I often sleep late.
Another one, what do you normally eat for breakfast?
I eat toast and eggs. I usually have coffee. I skip breakfast.
And you can ask others, what about you?
Now, personality. People often ask, how would you describe yourself?
You can answer with simple personality words. I'm friendly.
I'm shy. I'm outgoing. I'm calm. I'm funny. I'm serious. I'm patient. If you want to sound natural, you can combine them. I'm friendly and easygoing. I'm shy at first, but talkative later. I'm calm most of the time.
If you want to be honest about challenges, I get nervous easily.
I try to be more confident. I'm a bit forgetful.
Don't worry, everyone is human. Another common topic, your weekly routine. People might ask, what do you usually do on weekends? Do you work every day? Do you have free time?
You can answer, on weekends, I relax. I work Monday to Friday. I'm busy on weekdays. I have free time in the evenings.
Here's a natural structure. On weekdays, on weekends, Example, on weekdays, I study. On weekends, I spend time with friends.
Here's a great question. What are you interested in?
You can answer, I'm interested in travel. I'm interested in fitness. I'm interested in technology. I'm interested in learning languages.
And if you want to go deeper, I've been interested in photography for many years. I recently became interested in cooking.
Recently means not long ago.
Travel is a fun topic to talk about. People ask, have you traveled to other countries?
You can say, yes, I have. No, I haven't. Not yet, but I want to.
If you have traveled, I visited Japan last year. I went to Paris 2 years ago. I have traveled to 3 countries.
If you want to say your dream, I want to travel to. I would love to visit. Another important topic, goals. What are your goals? Or what do you want in the future?
You can say, I want to improve my English. I want to get a new job. I want to be healthier. I want to travel more. I want to make more friends.
And long-term goals, I want to start a business. I want to study abroad. I want to learn a new skill.
This is easy and helpful. I like. I don't like. I love. I hate.
Examples. I love music. I like quiet places. I don't like rude people. I hate waking up early.
You can also say, I'm not a fan of. We use this when we dislike something politely.
Sometimes people ask about your past experiences. What did you do before? What was your childhood like?
You can say, I grew up in a small town. I lived abroad when I was young. I studied engineering in college. I used to play a lot of sports.
Used to means something you did in the past, but not now. Another topic, relationships and friends. You can say, I have many friends. I have a small group of close friends. My friends are very supportive. I enjoy spending time with my friends.
If someone asks about relationship status, I'm single, I'm married, I'm in a relationship, I'm not looking right now.
Always be polite and simple. This is common in job interviews, but also everyday conversations. Strengths. I'm hardworking. I'm creative. I'm organized. I'm a fast learner. Weaknesses. I get stressed sometimes. I can be impatient. I'm sensitive. I overthink things. And a natural sentence, I'm working on improving. Let's do a simple role play.
Hi, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes, it's my favorite cafe. What do you usually order?
I usually get a latte. What about you?
I love iced coffee. So, what do you do?
I'm studying business. And you?
I'm working as a designer. What do you do in your free time?
I enjoy reading and walking. You?
I like cooking and watching movies. Nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too.
Can you describe your personality in 3 words? Example, I'm calm, friendly, and curious. Leave yours in the comments. We really want to know.
Thank you for joining us for part 2. You're doing amazing. Keep practicing.
And we'll see you next time on Talk Maya.